Today, we will see the daily routine and daily schedule chart and how we can introduce that to your child by letting your child know what is its daily routine and schedule. We are helping your child to come out of the anxiety and we are helping your child to be stress free. So, it offers the benefit of being stress free for the child and avoid unnecessary behaviors. It is important to make daily routine chart for your child for different parts of the day. As we do the routine tasks repeatedly without any change almost every day, the child will have this habit of doing those tasks independently. And if the child knows what is going to happen next, they won't have the anxiety and will very well be prepared to do that. This way, you can avoid many behaviors which the child is exhibiting now. Likewise, it is important to come up with a daily schedule once you are done with the routine chart and teach the same to your child. So, the daily schedule will contain different activities or different classes that happens on a particular day. Basically, what is his schedule for that particular day. So, how do you teach the daily routine chart? First, have two sets of pictures, one for morning routine and one for nighttime routine. Once child familiarizes with these two, then we can come up with the daily schedule. So, to start with, you can have this morning and night schedule. Later, when the child has more communication, you can work on the lunch time and the evening time picks also. A sample morning schedule. Wake up time, number one or so time, brushing time, porridge or snack time. Say if you're having the habit of giving any drinks or any snacks after the child wakes up, so that's porridge or snack time. Then potty time, bathing time, breakfast time. Usually after breakfast, the child will have school, so it can be school time. Now due to lockdown, you can have any activity time. So refer to my lockdown video and come up with a proper schedule. Most of the time child doesn't do potty in the morning, but make it a point that you make him sit in the potty in the morning time, if he goes or not, but just have that practice of doing this potty time in the morning. So just make him sit for 5 minutes and say potty time over, even if he does or not. You can download the pics from internet or you can take a pic of your child doing it. Would prefer taking a pic of your child except for potty pic. Now paste the pic in the chart like the one below. This is one sample morning schedule pictures. So you can download it from the internet separately because you have to customize it on what you are doing it for your child. So you cannot take a standard morning schedule from internet. So or you can go like this. You take picture whatever you are doing in the daily routine in the morning time and paste it like this. This schedule has a good morning in the top and there is a sun picture resembling that it is a morning schedule. So you can choose any of one pattern, either the previous one or this one, and paste it in a cupboard door or in a wall. How to teach this? So morning when the child wakes up, say morning time. You can use a visual pic of sun rising and point and say morning time. And then take him to the pic and point to the wake up pic and say wake up time. When you say this, bend down to his face level, look at his eyes, point to the pic and again at his eyes and say wake up time, following pointing rules that I mentioned in my finger pointing video. Next thing, he would be using the restroom for number one. So take him to the chart and put the second pic as Susu pic and point to the pic and say Susu or number one and then take him to the restroom. Once he's done with it, again take him back to the chart and say Susu over. Use the keyword which you want the child to use in your respective language. Similarly, next thing would be brushing. So before doing the brushing, take the brush and paste and take the child to the chart and point to the brushing pic and say brushing time and then run to the bathroom along with the child in a fun way and say brushing time, brushing time. Once brushing is over, take the child back to the chart and say brushing time over. Keep it fun, no questioning. When you use the word brushing, use the gesture for brushing with your fingers. And when you use the word over, use the corresponding gesture for the word over by looking at the picture and looking at child's eye. You can create one customized routine for your child. Don't question the child. Just say and use the words what I have mentioned in this video. No extra words, no questioning. Follow the same for other pics. When you say morning time, when the child wakes up, you can use a visual of a sun rising and point to the pic and then look at his eyes and say morning time. Similarly, before going to sleep, when you say night time, use a visual or a pic of moon in dark sky. So that way he knows this is night time and that is morning time. So that's how you teach the morning schedule. Next, night schedule. Dinner time, potty time, brushing time, bathing time, story time, number one or so time, and sleeping time. So this schedule again customize based on whatever your child is doing during the night time. So don't follow the same routine. But it's always good to have a story time and number one or so time and then sleeping time as a standard. So after making the bed ready, just before he is going to hit the bed, take him to the window, show the sky and say night time, and also show the visual pic, you have it in your hand, and point to the pic also and say it's night time, so that he could easily relate that it is night time and he is going to sleep in the night time. Do this as a practice for a couple of months, daily without any change. So after doing that, when you take him to the picture for a breakfast time, before you saying, point to the picture and wait and see if the child is trying to say anything there. Try to give a verbal cue like breakfast and try to wait, or give any gesture clue and see if he's trying to say the word. Even if he says or not, you just say the cue and then say the word and finish it off. Next is daily schedule. Come up with a daily schedule based on my lockdown schedule video and take pics of all the daily activities with the child, and create a chart like the one shown below. So take pics of each of the activities you mention in this chart like we did for daily routine. Use pictures of corresponding activities and write the name below the visuals. Take small passport size pics and in the back of the pic use velcro tapes. Don't paste it directly on the chart. By using velcro tape, you can reuse the same pic in different places. So take a pic, put the velcro tape, and then based on the daily schedule, you can fix it and take it wherever you can. Once the child wakes up, finishes brushing, take him to the daily schedule chart and say today's schedule and point to the whole vertical row of that day. Now point to each of the pick in the box and say first getting ready, next activity 1, next speech class, after that lunch, and after that playtime, and then dinner, and then sleep time. Do this first thing in the morning after brushing. Point to each of the picture whenever you say that particular activity and follow all the finger pointing rules. So please work on the daily routine and daily schedule and help your child to understand the plan for that day. This way, even if they become adults, it will help them to do all those activities independently. Thank you, and subscribe and share with parents.